flow of schedule in 3 minutes. So in the last video, we made WBS, work breakdown structure, and then we made scope baseline. Now in the scheduling, first we look at a schedule management plan that will tell you which software you can use, maybe Primavera, Microsoft Project, and it will also tell you how much level we need to go into details for the work packages. Now, since we already have a work package, using decomposition technique, we'll divide the work package further into activity list, activity attributes, and milestone list. Milestone is basically shares with you what is the most important things, and milestone has zero duration. Milestone is an important, significant event having zero duration. Once you have this activity list, we will look at what are the relationship between them, what are the dependencies. Do you have mandatory dependencies or discretionary dependency? Are they internal or external? Plus, we see the relationship. Is it a finish to start, start to start, start to finish, or finish to finish? Which type of relationships we have in these activities? Once we have the relationship, now we'll look at the duration that needs to complete any activity. If we already have a past information for something and we are going to do the same thing now, we will use analogous estimation. If we have a past as knowledge about the activity, and but now there are multiples of it, statistical relationship, we will use parametric estimation for the duration. We can also use bottom-up estimation when we have a lot of information about that, or a 3-point estimation when we have optimistic duration, pessimistic, and most likely. 3-point estimation can be triangular distribution or beta distribution. Important thing, if in the exam it is not mentioned, always use beta distribution. Once we have the duration of each activity, using critical path method, we will calculate the duration of the path. The longest path will be the critical path. And critical path have zero float. Float is the amount how much activity can be delayed without delaying to the critical path. Now critical path will use schedule baseline. If you want to reduce the schedule, you can have schedule compression technique, crashing and fast tracking. Both need change request. Crashing is adding the resources which will increase the cost. Fast tracking is making activities which are in series parallel. Both are important thing. If you want to optimize the resource, you can have resource leveling that will optimize all the resources but may increase schedule baseline. Or if you want to using resource smoothing, which you use when you don't want to increase your schedule baseline. You will use this thing, keep working, keep enhancing your schedule to make sure you have optimized schedule. This is the schedule topic in 3 minutes. I hope that makes sense to you.